Hello students, today will we discuss about challenges of teaching English. Okay, टीचिंग इंग्लिश में क्या क्या चैलेंजेस होते हैं उसके बारे में आज बताएंगे. ओके, टीचिंग इंग्लिश एज अ सेकंड लैंग्वेज इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट रिवार्डिंग कैरियर्स यू कुड हैव. इट इज़ एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एक्सरसाइज योर टीचिंग स्किल्स, immerse yourself if in an exciting culture, meet new people from all over the world, and travel to countries you have never visited. As with any teaching job, teaching English as a second language is not without its challenges. Okay, first है lack of time for planning. Unlike in the past, when teachers can't just finish up their syllabus and typically evaluate that students, the situation is more challenging today. They will have to handle multiple roles in the classroom. सबसे पहले क्या होता है, योजना के लिए समय की कमी होती है. अतीत के विपरीत जब शिक्षक केवल अपना पाठ्यक्रम समाप्त नहीं कर सकते थे और आमतौर पर छात्रों का मूल्यांकन नहीं कर सकते थे, आज स्थिति अधिक चुनौतीपूर्ण है. उन्हें कक्षा में कई तरीके की भूमिकाएं निभानी होती हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट है लॉट ऑफ पेपर वर्क. In addition to preparing quality teaching content, it is common for school management to hand them with many additional roles, including psychoeducator, social worker, counselor and a lot more. देखिए, जो कक्षा की चुनौतियां शिक्षकों के सामने आने वाली पर्याप्त समस्याओं में से एक है और एक अच्छा शिक्षक इन सभी चुनौतियों को बहादुरी से पार करने का साहस रखता है. शिक्षकों द्वारा सामना की जाने वाली कुछ सामान्य कक्षा चुनौतियों में टीम वर्क की कमी, जैसे न्यूनतम व्यक्तिगत समय, दीर्घकालिक लक्ष्यों की दिशा में काम करना, तर्क और छात्र बहाने आदि शामिल हैं. इन सामान्य कक्षा चुनौतियों को संबोधित करने से न केवल शिक्षक प्रतिधारण दर में सुधार करने में मदद मिलती है, बल्कि छात्र की सफलता दर और शिक्षा की अंतिम गुणवत्ता में भी वृद्धि हो सकती है. ओके, नेक्स्ट है परफॉर्मेंस प्रेशर फ्रॉम स्कूल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. ओके, unlike in the past, there are serious competitors in every field and the situation is no different in the teaching career. Everyone is being challenged always to give out their best because a better person is knocking on your door. This causes a lot of pressure from school administrators to perform well every time without leaving any point of blame. Next, balancing diverse learning needs. Let it be any school, the type of students in a classroom will be different and they will have diverse learning needs. Satisfying all of them in the same way while approaching a particular curriculum will be a serious challenge. Nowadays, teachers are trying differential teaching strategy to satisfy a slow learner and quick learner. Okay. Next, handle too many masters. They are of course in the middle of many masters. Like parents, students and school managers, satisfying all of them in the same manner can be a serious challenge for them. A management that is not supportive, a class of students who lack teamwork and parents who are complaining without understanding can make the job tough for them. Next, lack of paper funding. There needs to have proper funding from the management and parent funds to successfully work out many teaching strategy and related stuff during an academic year. Teachers have seen raising concern about the lack of funding, which can seriously impact the way they want to take the class forward. Okay, next, limitation of standardized test. Not every student in a class learns a subject in the same way, and similar is the case with the way you evaluate them. Teachers would be eager to come up with creative way of assessing their students, and these approaches may be initiated after studying that their learning styles. However, if the management insists on standardized testing methods, it will be a tough job for teacher. Next, lack of parental support. Even when it is the role of teacher to provide students with quality education, the process is only complete with the cooperation and understanding of parents and school management. Next, changing educational trends. यानी शैक्षिक रुझान बदलना. This is one of the worst classroom challenges faced by teachers as educational trends have been changing every year. Schools will be eager to adopt new technology and tools to update new trends. However, they may not take the same effort to give proper training to teachers, okay, on how to use these. Next, limitation of discipline students. Not all students in a class may be well mannered or respectful. There can be some cases of serious disrespect towards teachers, and rules safeguarding students can be a headache for teachers. Teachers have to look into the lawsuits and double check it before you respond, as things can turn against you in unexpected way. Next, lack of self time. The whole day long teachers do multiple tasking for an effective teaching learning process, and often teachers are forced to neglect their own bodies. They want to go for refreshments in between. There are even hectic days where they even speak lunch. Next, a teacher working too many roles at the same time. More than a teacher, she should take up the role of a social worker, counselor, psychoeducator, or more at times. They are expected to shoulder different roles throughout the day. Next, teachers being made responsible for more than they should. यानी शिक्षकों को जितना चाहिए उससे अधिक उसके लिए उसको जिम्मेदार बनाया जा रहा है. यानी अधिकांश समय में शिक्षकों को ये नहीं लगता कि जिम्मेदारी उनके माता पिता और छात्रों को भी समान रूप से साझा की जाती है. दुर्भाग्य से उन्हें अपने कंधों पर बहुत सारी जिम्मेदारियां उठानी होती हैं. Most of time teachers don't feel that responsibility is equally shared between them, parents, and students. Unfortunately, they will have to bear a lot of responsibilities on their shoulders. Next, applying a prescribed curriculum to all types of students. It is known fact that each student is different, but problems arise when a specific curriculum is prescribed for all students. The pace of understanding a concept. Okay. ये तथ्य है कि प्रत्येक छात्र अलग होता है, लेकिन समस्याएं तब उत्पन्न होती हैं जब सभी छात्रों के लिए विशिष्ट पाठ्यक्रम निर्धारित किया जाता है. एक अवधारणा को समझने की गति से बच्चे दूसरे में भिन्न होते हैं. ओके. Differentiating and personalizing teaching. What works for one student does not work for the other. Teachers are clear about this and are looking for newer ways to analyze and evaluate different skill levels. Media enhanced exams, new year question types, etc. are some of the changes that teachers are looking for. Diversing teaching methods, but keeping it simple is the right solution, but it is hard to execute. देखिए शिक्षण कौशल जो है वो इसमें एक तरीके की बहुत ज़्यादा चैलेंजेस हैं, यानी कि लैंग्वेज बैरियर, मूविंग अब्रॉड टू टीच माइट रिक्वायर you to learn a new language. In the beginning you might find it difficult to communicate with people during our day-to-day ordering food at a restaurant, renting a car, or trying to pay for your phone bill can easily turn into a frustrating conversation. It's important to remember that your students feel the same frustration when trying to English learn. Okay, next day, not enough time. Teaching students a new language is a delicate and time-consuming process. When teaching English as a second language, you are always working against the clock to avoid running out of the time. And to provide your students with in-depth education, it's imperative to carefully plan out each teaching session beforehand. Teaching English as a second language is one of the best way to immense. कक्षा की चुनौतियां शिक्षकों के सामने आने वाली पर्याप्त समस्याओं में से एक है और एक अच्छा शिक्षक इन सभी चुनौतियों को बहादुरी से पार करने का साहस भी रखता है। शिक्षकों द्वारा सामना की जाने वाली कुछ सामान्य वो है चुनौतियां टीम वर्क की कमी आदि बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें शामिल हैं। इन सामान्य कक्षा चुनौतियों को संबोधित करने से न केवल शिक्षक प्रतिधारण दर में सुधार करने में मदद मिलती है बल्कि छात्र की सफलता दर और शिक्षा की अंतिम गुणवत्ता में भी वृद्धि होती है। ठीक है, यानी कि इसमें और भी चैलेंजेस हैं, लिमिटेड सपोर्ट, लोनलीनेस, लैंग्वेज बैरियर, यानी कि सीमित समर्थन, अजनबियों से भरे कमरे के नई विदेशी उसमें भाषाओं पढ़ाना मुश्किल हो जाता है। इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाने के लिए विदेश जाने के लिए आपको एक नई भाषा सीखने की आवश्यकता होती है। ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।